Hello, one and all. This is your host Naman Kapri, and I welcome you all to League 11. Today, in this video, let's discuss the fantasy team, the fantasy picks for the BBL match tomorrow between Perth Scorchers and Adelaide Strikers. It's gonna be a match with two amazing teams, and we can see a lot of good players in action. So, here is how my fantasy team for tomorrow lines up. The first segment that we are going to talk about today is the wicket keeping segment. Here I have chosen a total of one wicket keeper, which is from Perth Scorchers, and that is Josh Inglis. Josh Inglis is also my vice captain for tomorrow because I love his style of batting, and he can also get me points in the wicket keeping segment. So double trouble and double the bonus, everything double, and the vice captain points get multiplied by 1.5. So I am expecting English to get me a lot of points tomorrow due to his all-round ability to bat as well as keep really well. A definitely must take in your team tomorrow. Next up is the batting segment. Here I have chosen a total of three batsmen, starting with Laurie Evans. Laurie Evans is a Perth batsman who is extremely skillful, knows how to find the gaps, how to time the ball perfectly, and can run the singles well, can change strikes, can rotate strikes, and is a complete batsman. Definitely a must take for tomorrow's match. Next up is a Adelaide batsman, which is Jake Weatherald. Jake Weatherald is another skillful, very quirky player who knows how to play and when to play according to the situation. He assesses the situation very well, can pace his innings pretty well, and knows the bowlers which he has to target and goes after them completely. A definitely must take for tomorrow's match. Next up is the third batsman, the last batsman that I have taken, and he's from the Perth team, and he's Colin Munro. Colin Munro, the flying Kiwi. He bats like anything. This Black Caps player, left-hander, is a genius T20 batsman. Can give you that fast runs, can hit those big shots, can play the reverse sweeps and the reverse logs to absolute perfection. A definitely good take for tomorrow's match. Now next up comes the all-round section. Here I have picked a total of two all-rounders. The first one being from the Adelaide team, and it's none other than Matthew Short. Matthew Short is definitely a go-to for tomorrow's match because of his all-round ability. Can give you crucial overs while bowling, while his batting is already a good prowess for him. Can definitely get you points in both those fields and is a good fielder too. So overall, an excellent pick for tomorrow's match. The second all-rounder that we are gonna take in our team for tomorrow is a Perth Scorcher, and it's Ashton Agar. Ashton Agar, another definitely good pick, can bat down the order, give you those important runs, balls amazingly, good lines, tight lines, can keep it wicket to wicket, can get you wickets at crucial junctures. A definitely go for in tomorrow's match. Now let's move forward towards that segment which I personally look forward to in tomorrow's match. And as I said before, I have a lot of faith that bowlers are gonna rock the match tomorrow. I have picked a total of five bowlers here. Yes, starting with Matthew Kelly. Matthew Kelly, the Perth bowler, definitely a go-to for tomorrow's match. Very smart bowler, knows his lengths right, can hit the deck hard, and knows the lengths, the variations which can worry the batsman. Definitely go to. Next up is Wes Agar. Wes Agar, another Adelaide bowler, knows how to keep things in control, runs in check, balls perfect lines, keeps it tight, and makes the situation bad for the batsman out there and deceives them in turn. A good take for tomorrow's match, can prove to be an X factor too. Next up is the Afghan spin king and my captain pick for tomorrow, Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan, one of the genius T20 bowlers, knows his variations to absolute perfection. Can ball them googlies, can ball the leg spins, is even a good batsman down the order, to be honest. He can even give you crucial runs down the order, but more importantly, I think he's gonna rock tomorrow with his spell of 4 overs that he gets. The fourth bowler that I have chosen here is again from the Adelaide team, and it's Peter Siddle. Peter Siddle, an experienced Aussie pacer, a cool, calm head, can maintain those tight lines and lengths, has tons of experience down his back, and can get you important wickets at crucial junctures. A definitely go-to for tomorrow's match. The last bowler that we are gonna talk about here is George Garden, another Adelaide bowler. George is one of the upcoming bowlers and can prove to be an X factor tomorrow. Balls tight lines and lengths, knows his lengths perfectly, can keep it tight and nice for a while, and also helps getting other bowlers wickets by his tight lines, since he helps restrict the runs. Can also get wickets quickly if he gets going well. Definitely a pick for tomorrow's match. So this is how my team lines up for tomorrow. Let's see how it goes.